Cause God knows I want ya. You're taking everything for me, you don't even know. Your soul inside the agony. You stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. Come on, help me, I say na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight.
Drumming on the beat. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I send them my devotion and show them my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I find a rainbow in the shade, the steadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said, oh, I said, oh, have you ever loved somebody like them? Stuff me out of me. Oh, can you even let me get that close like them? Stuff me out of me. Baby, before you color me, boy, you gotta know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you gotta know I can read your mind. Oh, do you love yourself? Baby, before you color me, boy, you gotta know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you gotta know I can read your mind. Oh, do you love yourself? Like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Like a lighthouse on the ocean, I sail him on devotion. And so, oh my God, I said, oh, have you ever loved somebody else? Oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, before you color me, boy, you gotta know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you gotta know I can read your mind. Oh, do you love yourself?